Welcome. Let's start the show. Just before market open, it seems like we are going down here. Look at that. Definitely going down. We had unemployment claims, right? Let's do this. Sell side liquidity at 122. I'm still liking it. Okay. Lights. Much better this way. All right. Oh man. 122, here we go. I think that's where we're going. Uh, 20 seconds until market open. Let's get ready. All right, it might want to go lower. It's not going lower. I thought that it wants to. Interesting market open. We have an FOMC member who's talking today, I guess. Rob, hello. Kirktown, it's me, your dad. Okay. So we do have an FOMC member, if I'm correct, who's going to talk in maybe at 10 a.m.? Not sure. I think it might want to break that low. And if we go down, then 122 is the next target. There you go. 122, here we go. Almost broke it. Finally went down. Nice. Okay, so we have 122. But what's next? What's next, I wonder? Sell side liquidity could be at 91. We had pound news as well, right? Yeah. Oh, Trump is gonna speak at 10 a.m. Oh my god. What's he gonna say? What's he gonna say? Why did this go there? Anyway, I still like to go. I mean, I like this one to go higher. There is a nice area up there for drawn liquidity, and I mean this fair value gap. I'm still not sure if that's the target, but I like that. $91 could be a good target. Rejecting from this 15-minute gap to the upside. I would say first presentation gap most likely could be in this area here. The small one. At 36. High is 36.75. J. Cola, hello. Good morning. Good morning. Might try to go for it, but it might not. If it's not going for it, then we might go for that 91. Almost. Ba-da-da-dum, ba-da-da. Okay, now that we went back for the first presentation gap, what's next? I only see 91 as a possibility here. If not, we should be returning back up there. We have some good targets. I'm gonna get this off. Yeah, we have order blocks. We have everything down there. I mean up there, sorry. And as for the mini, I gotta check it out once more. What's the low here on the mini? 91.75. And 91.50 on the micro. Might have to wait. It's not going there. One more attempt to pick up liquidity from this gap. Gold went up there, I just checked it. Nice. We have a liquidity level at 38.50. Up there as well. Might want to go up there and pick up more. Not sure. It didn't go. Which could be good news. Are we stuck in this internal range until Trump is trying to speak? Oh man. I feel like we do. I have to disconnect and reconnect here. What a range. Yeah, it's a bit of a slow open. I thought that we're gonna see more. And we are ranging in between that 5-minute slash sell side liquidity. And I don't think we're going anywhere. Maybe we're gonna stuck here until 10 a.m. We have a new 15-minute candle. Still holding this level as possible support. And we have the 9150 and 9175 on the mini SL side. So not much is happening. Pretty much ranging. What an open. This could be it for until 10 a.m. You know, we might be having a macro kicking in. But at this point, I'm not so sure. Still not down there. Still just hovering in the same range. Yeah, UK trade deal. Oh yeah, that's gonna be a real interesting thing to have. That's gonna be really interesting. Oh man. I guess everybody wants to wait for that. So it doesn't really matter what we do until then. Because we have to wait for the announcement anyway. But All right. At least we took out this 91 level. What a crazy move. And Asia low. Look at that. What's the Asia low on the mini? 60.75. The low here was 61. Missed it by 1 tick. All right. That's an interesting development. Careful with the bounce. It could be happening. Yeah, 60.75 would be higher as the mini. Update you guys with the prop accounts. All right. My pleasure. Okay, so on the Apex accounts, I'm waiting for a payout on this $2,000, especially very good because this is after the third payout. This account here has no trades today. Also requesting $567 on this. No trades on this at 2,372. This one is at 2,138. This one has 1,650. These are the Apex accounts. Still have to work on them. This one has 1,527 bucks. This Bulenox account had no trade, but it's above the safety net. Thank God. It's $2,638. This one is at 1,565. Today I made 166 bucks on this one, so that's not so bad. And this one is fairly new. I made $212 today on this. Also Bulenox. This one I'm waiting for the funded account. On these are funded futures network evals. I blow one. One account has blown today. This one, funded futures network account, blown. And the take profit trader account has been passed today. So at least I have one more new, but I'm gonna get new MyFundedFutures account. I requested the payout from MyFundedFutures, so that account is gone actually, but I requested $1,074 yesterday. So I do have that, and that's it so far. Can we trade 10 a.m. news on? Well, I have to check the calendar here. If I go to calendar, there is nothing. Like, for example, take profit trader has nothing for today. They had the FOMC. If it's not here in the calendar, then technically you can trade it. So technically you can. But let me check my. I think the same goes with MyFundedFutures. Let me check. Calendar, tier 1 news. Nothing here. So here's the MyFundedFutures calendar. Nothing for today. These are the tier 1 news marked up, but nothing for today. So technically you can trade. Well, orange folder doesn't matter, as you say. Yeah, so it's fine. There's nothing here. So these are okay. Orange folder news are great. No problem with that. By the way, Funded Futures Network has 60% on resets. So that's a good deal as well. Trying to figure out if this one wants to make break the Asia low or not. But officially it has not been broken yet. Yeah, definitely. I approved it. I approved it, Kirktown. Officially. Kind of curious about this 10 a.m. announcement. Is there some news channel that is showing this live or something? I'm not sure. Actually, I'm gonna search for it. I'm just gonna type in Trump live. Okay, we might go back to 138, by the way. Who knows? Yeah. Technically, this level is still in play. We shall see. $138.50 to be exact. Oh yeah, everybody's waiting. I think that could be good news, by the way. I mean, hopefully. Maybe they made a deal. Maybe not. What is happening? Is it gonna take the Asia low or not? Not sure when he's gonna. Maybe he's gonna be late for like 20 minutes or so, and that means the market is gonna go crazy until then. Everybody just waiting for news. Going back up there. Above the 100 now. Feels like it wants to break up there. I feel like it might want to go for that first gap now, but it's hard to tell. Seraphim account blown up. You know what we talked about. We're not giving up. I told you. Not giving us Seraphim. Come on, man. That's only because overtrading. I know you were overtrading, man. You were overtrading. Revenge trading. And I know how it feels like. Trust me. Oh, man. I know it sucks. I know. But it's part of the game. It's, you know, best thing you can do now is take the day off. That's what I would do. But don't worry. It will be okay. Have to take the day off, rest a little bit, and look back what you did wrong. Obviously, you overtraded, I think. and but you have to look at why you did that. What was your initial setup? First of all, the error is that we shouldn't be like, even if you trade at this time, you have to go small size. Basically, that's it. I'm sorry, by the way. I know it sucks. Yeah, exactly like Rob says. Taking a walk and reset. But don't give up. Just, reset. MB Trader, good morning. Lizelle. 2 take profit trader funded. Oh, I'm sorry to hear that, Lizelle. Part of exactly. But next time you will know, and this is, I'm sorry about that, Lizelle. I know take profit trader accounts are. Yeah, so anyway, but we all know that it's gonna burn into our brain, and next time, maybe even slowly, but slowly we're gonna get there to know what we should not do, because it's always over trading. Always. That's the cause. Always. You have to do something about it, and it's not easy. I know it's not easy. $1. Jeez. Man. Oh man, Mr. Tabelka, I'm sorry to hear that, but it is, yeah, things can happen like this. Size down, definitely, Rob. What Rob says, size down, and next time will be better. Giving up is not an option. Exactly. When you know that was going wrong to enter, yeah. We all do that. The FAFO, the FAFO effect. So if you blow up the account, that's a level 10. Yeah. But we all did level 10s. Level 10 FAFO. Still nothing. Everyone is just waiting. Patiently. In the meantime, there's not much to do. So we've all been there. We've all FAFO'd. In and out from trades. By the way, there could be a good trade on gold, maybe. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Is this gonna try to go for the Asia low? Or what's the deal? It did go for it. Okay. So now we officially have the Asia low, and we still don't have the announcement. It seems like, by the way, I might going to go long on gold. I'm not sure yet, but it's certainly the way it looks like it. I think only because of my supersonic indicators from the future are telling me to go long. And I'm gonna go long in 7 seconds, 6 seconds, 4 seconds, 3 seconds, 1. I'm long on gold. I'm gonna go with, okay, that's good. Chaz, back from work. Hello. What we saying, Tom? Leave this alone and come back tomorrow, or is there some clean movement? What I'm saying, Chaz, is we should wait for Trump, say what he wants to say, and then maybe we're gonna have a chance to see something happening, maybe until 11 a.m. or 11:30. Who knows? Akram! Yay! The man himself! Welcome! Good to see you back. So let's just wait for President Trump. No, Kirk. Son. Not now. We have to wait for the trade deal. Ron, hello. Welcome, Ron. How's it going? I take my time. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Yeah, no trades. No trades. Waiting for Trump. But until we're waiting, let me tell you, it's time for a commercial. Are you looking to pass evaluation accounts fast? Are you looking to be the best funded trader out there? Let me tell you, the best cheat code out there is no other than Tom Sabo. Use it on most of these prop firms and you're gonna get the highest pass rate, the best payout ratio, and all the discounts you ever wanted. Go for it now. Sponsored by Tom Sabo's YouTube. I had to do it. I had to. I had to. Skip it. My mic works now. All right. Thank you. It was a good one. Malo, hey, more gains? Well, I guess you're just printing money, Malo. You are printing money all the time, so I don't know. I guess if you want more gains, you can print as much as you want. Look at that. We're going down to 20,012. Pass through Asia low. Do we have a new... Yeah, we have a new day opening gap. Why do I have this here? I have this here since yesterday. Anyway, doesn't matter. Tell me. I can't tell you that, Malo. We have to wait for the president to speak. You know. Until then, let's listen to music. Waiting for Trump. Let him take his time. Waiting for the president. Yeah. Exactly. He's gonna announce it any moment. So the whole market is waiting. Let's wait. Take my time. Alright, don't worry guys, I'm not torturing you guys. Don't worry, I'm stopping. But what can we do? Oh, come on. When is he talking? In Funded Futures Network, Express or Standard? But no, both. Or Standard both no. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, no activation fee. No, sorry. Wait a second. That might have ended. Let me check it. I have to check the. I think the activation fee is back. I have to check it again. I think the activation fee is back to 130 right now. Yeah. I think 130. Supporting facias. Oh, come on, man. Again with this? You can't be serious, Kirktown. Why are you saying I'm a fascist? How do they pronounce it? Fascist. I'm not. We're not supporting that. That is not what we do. Are we going down for 12? Daytrader 37 bucks without also. That's with activation fee. Daytraders is with activation fee. Let me check it. Daytraders also have $130 activation. Yeah. Let me check it. Yeah, Daytraders has activation and yeah, that's it. Is he speaking? I mean, I'm on the YouTube channel there. I don't see him speaking yet. Careful. By the way, I think that the this level at 38.50 could be a good target for later. Is he speaking now or not? It doesn't seem to be a live feed. No. Not yet. But it's not on YouTube yet. What a move here. MyFundedFutures and Take Profit Trader doesn't have activation fee. And by the way, Akram, just saying, if you're a brand new customer with MyFundedFutures, you do get a 50% discount. And I'm saying this to basically anyone who is new with them. 50% welcome bonus for any plan, and there is no activation. Is he speaking or what? Nothing is happening. Nothing is. I'm not gonna jump into a trade. That's for sure on this. But Trump is not speaking yet, does he? Not speaking yet. Yeah. Oh, man. I'm not gonna jump into anything here. I can leave this alone though. Yeah, no interest. Exactly, Chaz. I think that could be the smart choice. That could be the smart choice to do here. Oh man. Well, I guess we still have to wait a lot. Martin, good morning. I'll take 156 short. Maybe. I'd like to see 138, by the way, being reclaimed. Alright. Still nothing's happening. Yeah, I think the drawn liquidity should be there. 138.50. I stand by that for now. Oh man. Oh, this is just so. Man, this is gonna take forever. $181. Careful. And I don't know what's happening. I have to look at the 5-minute here. No gap. Nothing to go for. Whoa! Jesus! The Professor! Hey! The Professor 2.0. Thank you so much, man. Wow. 120 inner. What? I'm not sure. 120 inner is what currency is that? Indian rupees. Sorry. Now I know. Thank you so much for the dono. The Professor. Hey. Thank you. Appreciate it. And welcome to the channel. Wow. What a nice gesture. Man, so much we have to wait for. I mean, that's normal, I guess. That's why the markets are not moving. Still, the drawn liquidity, I think, should be at 138.50. And this is untradeable. I'm not gonna jump into anything until we don't hear anything on these tariff situation. I have to drink something. Okay. What happened? Whoa! The professor! I'm Secrets of the Unknown. Oh yeah, of course I remember. Sorry, there was no audio because I turned it off, but let me give you a huge applause again. The Professor, Secrets of the Unknown. What's this new name? Thank you so much for the donation. Welcome back. Or welcome on your new avatar. Awesome. Very very good name there. Like, cool. The Professor. That it means that you might know what the future brings us, especially in trading. Thank you. That's a good. I mean, let us know. Left futures back to Forex. Hey, with funding pips, 100k, nice. That is awesome, man. But anyways, hey, I mean, I wish you all the good luck on your adventures in Forex. And by the way, just saying, I'm also going to trade CFDs. Just saying. So I already have an account with the Fivers. So I'm definitely gonna trade with CFDs as well. I'm looking into that. Guys, look at this.
Body's primary ketones, and it provides the most efficient and clean fuel that your body needs. It also helps you stay energized all day with no crashes. Not only that, it produces 3 times more brain energy than sugar, which helps boost your memory, focus, and mental sharpness. It also helps reduce stress and helps balance your mood. Rev 7 does all that while being
This is a typical commercial. Like from GTA 5 or something.
Use your promo code to save 20% today. I'm so sure you're going to love Rev 7. For a limited time, you get our introductory 3-pack absolutely free. I drink Rev 7 every day, and I absolutely love it, and so will you.
Welcome back to Right Side Broadcasting Network Live. I'm Robert McNeely. We are awaiting President Trump to make a major announcement today from the White House. This will be on bilateral trade and perhaps the complete restructuring of the global economy. We know that's what he's working on right now. If you listen to anything from Secretary of Commerce Howard Lutnick
All right.
to...
Still nothing. That's an old ad? I don't know, but this was so funny. This was like from an 80s show or something, or like from GTA 4 or 5, some old video game maybe, I don't know. It was so, I don't know. Drink this because this is gonna make you feel better, and that's cool. Yeah, nothing to do for now, by the way, guys. This is just like, we are literally like just doing nothing. I made a coffee for myself. Maybe I shouldn't drink coffee in the afternoon, but Ron wants to retest these fair value gaps. I want to get to 138.50. That's where I want to go. Seems like 20,012 could be on the horizon. What about gold? Nothing. Nothing on gold. Excuse me. Hey, Pixel Forge. Past phase 2. It was flagged and told it's a soft breach. What? Which prop firm is that? phase 2 but was flagged. What was that? Which prop firm? FUNDEDFutures network, or FUNDEDNEXT futures, or DAYTRADERS, or Funded Elite. Oh, I don't know anything about Funded Elite, Pixel Forge. But I don't know which was your soft reach. What was the issue? Micro scalping or martingale or flipping? Well, Martin, everybody's waiting for Trump to speak, so no idea yet. Whoa! The professor! Thank you so much for all these donos, man. I mean, thank you, man. Thank you. It's fun coupons, you know. They are calling it the Gulf of America. The broadcaster is calling. It's a beautiful day to visit the Gulf of America. Nice. Scalping. On 2 trades. I don't know then. I really don't know anything about that prop firm. So it's hard to say. But I guess you can continue. Oh, Trump.
Series of agreements on trade that my administration has been negotiating over the past 4 weeks. With this deal, the UK joins the United States in affirming that reciprocity and fairness is an essential and vital principle of international trade. The deal includes billions of dollars of increased market access for American exports, especially in agriculture, dramatically increasing access for
You should be okay, Pixel Forge, don't worry.
And virtually all of the products produced by our great farmers, and our secretary, as you know, of agriculture is here. Brooke, thank you very much for being here.
Thank you, sir.
You'll let the farmers know. In addition, the UK will reduce or eliminate numerous non-tariff barriers that unfairly discriminated against American products, but this is now turning out, I think, really.
All right. You guys don't need to hear this. So far, we're going down. Okay, so many good news. Crypto is pumping. Oh yeah, Bitcoin is up there. All right. Was there another dono from the professor here? I guess there was. Oh my god, thank you. The professor. Thank you so much. My man, thank you for the donation. That's like 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times. Jesus. Ron, are you short? I guess you are, right? Seems like gold might want to go sideways a bit. NQ is just still going sideways. It basically ruined the whole trading session for us. This Trump announcement. Everybody was so hyped up. Going lower. We are still going lower. Well, yeah, we can short it there, but man, it's really hard to figure it out. I don't know. It's kind of an interesting situation. I thought that we're gonna rip higher, but it seems like that now that we're through the 20,000, maybe it wants to go lower, but I'm not sure. I'm not even sure if I'm trusting the gold move here. I guess we'll see. Anyway, whoa, the professor, what is going on, man? Thank you so much for the donation. Thank you, thank you. The professor. That's a rep. 600 times 3. What did you do, man? At Bulenox, 300 times 5. Get out of here. Man. Issues with Ninja. Lost round 3 times instead of rewind. Man, congratulations. I don't know what you did there. I was too scared to jump in. That's a nice result. Malo, I don't know what I don't know. I need to pick your brain once. You're just going in and printing money. 3 minute looks like a structure shift, by the way. Took the 70 short off. Yeah. It's a strong candle. It's a strong candle. And strong movement here. I feel like the drawn liquidity would be at 138.50. But we might have to wait for a PM session for that to happen. Mm-hmm. Yeah, we need to break this. Yeah. We have equal highs. Hopefully we will. We should. Are we going higher? Look at that. We might be breaking higher. I took a long position at 82.25. Actually, I missed my entry. I might gonna re-enter or add to it when it goes lower at 55. So I'm also long on gold. I missed my entry there. I wanted to use this strong move to enter right there, but I missed it. And I just want to get back to 138. So this is the gold trade. And let me find the current one. This. So it's just a 1-to-1 risk to reward. Let me put this here. So not the best risk to reward ratio, but I'm looking for that gap. Actually, the first presentation gap, which is right there. Okay. If it's not gonna go there, not yet. Then maybe the PM session. So if it takes me out, it's alright, perfectly. My gold trade is not looking that good, that's for sure. I might even close it down. Oh. I can't put this to the top. Anyway. We can come back. Yeah, that's the risky part of it. So we can actually come back down. So that's why it's definitely a little bit risky. Be careful with that. Gold trade is still on as well. If it breaks, well, actually, if it goes up to the 100 and up to the hundreds, like at least 110, I would say, I might gonna move my stop. Actually, I'm moving it now a little bit. That's not usual. I usually don't do this, but my entry is crap, so that's why I did that. You wait for ICT setup. Nothing wrong with that. Actually, I waited for the ICT setup and I missed it. I missed the setup, but the target is the same. And since the risk to reward ratio is still okay, I entered. This was my quote unquote ICT setup right there. This fair value gap. That's why I chose to enter even up there. So I missed it, but because of the risk to reward ratio was still higher than 1-to-1, I chose to go for it. Somewhere here would have been the optimal entry for me, but I closed my gold trade. What just happened? Okay. I don't know what happened. Liquidity sweep. Yeah, we went back. Oh my god, we went back up there. TP hit. Beautiful. Beautiful TP hit there. Wow. This was awesome. I actually made $466 with this one on this Buley account. How did the other one go? 212. And this one only 100. Yeah, I put it only on this account. Nice. I still think it could go higher. $138.50. I think it's still in the crosshairs. Anyway, did what we could. Why did my TRADEIFY account? It froze down? Whoa. Oh no, Malo. To log off, I'm getting to that Malo. I'm just, don't worry. If it's just a mistrade, I know you will make more. You were long from 39. Are you still in the trade? If you were long from 39, you might have. Did you exit? Did you had a TP there? Malo, I hope TRADEIFY used to have some issues lately. I don't know. And closed all. Oh, I see. Malo, don't worry. You made good money today. Jonathan should have had all accounts. Don't worry. The next trade like this will come for sure. Don't worry about it. 1K win? That's a nice one. Bitcoin hit 100K? Oh yeah, it is. It did. Apex returned your deleted accounts after I opened the ticket. It took 3 days. Repeat this on our nice tree. In case anyone had this issue. Oh, sorry, Al. Thank you for updating. And by the way, tomorrow, in the next London session, I won't be here. I'm taking my mother to the hospital because the doctor is only available tomorrow. So there will be no London stream, but I'll be back tomorrow for New York stream. So no London stream. Family first, you guys know it. And I will be taking her tomorrow. Okay. So. This was a nice trade. I liked it. I really did like it. And I closed my gold trade, thank God. But this was really interesting. Oh, by the way, here's the next draw on liquidity, everybody. In case you missed it. Okay. Why is this here? Okay, we might be... Okay, that's the next one. That's why I outlined it. And it's at 231.50 buy side liquidity right there. The problem is this is a hard push. We might see some pullback before reaching out there. Why do I say that? Because if you look at the 5 minute, we have an order block here. Beautiful order block. Low hanging fruit would be the opening of the order block at 207.25. So 207.25 ish. Oh, not this one. Not the text. Messed it up. $207.25, which is a 5 minute bearish order block. $207. That's where we're going. Malo, see you next time. Yeah, she's okay. Thank you so much. God bless you too. You're out. All right. Malo, thanks for being here. And cheer up. You're going to make even more money. Oh man, I'm so tempted to jump in to take that 207. I can feel it. Actually, I can feel it in my guts that we're going for 207. Man, what should I do? Do I have an account I can mess around? The fuck around and find out situation is really coming onto me now. I'm telling you, it's gonna take that. It's too late. It's just going for it. $207.25. Maybe not yet. I mean, that would be the order block up there. Still didn't go. Okay, what was this news? Is this the pullback here? I guess it is. I guess it was. Good thing I did not engage. Did Trump say anything, by the way? Maybe he said something. So we almost went up there to the order block. $206 maybe would be good. Maybe. Not sure. Well, let's see. Let's see what happens. Oh, he's still talking. Okay. 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 For a second there, I thought that, you know, he's done talking. I'm not watching the feed. So that's why I thought that maybe we're going for, I mean, we can still go for that, but let's see what this one's gonna do. What's the time right now? We still have time until lunch hour. In case this one wants to break or something, I'm not sure. What's the deal here? Let's wait for it. Well, I'm trading a little bit late today. We had to wait a lot for the Trump speech. Trading Star, how is your trading so far today? How you doing, man? I hope all is good. I can't figure out, like, I have to check on him. Is he still speaking? We actually reached the order block. Up 37.61 on your 50k Bulenox master account day 8. Thanks to code Tom Sabo. Congratulations. Kirktown, I think you really need a huge applause. Kirktown. Congrats. Trading Star, the market is kicking your ass. It happens, man. By the way, guys, I know you hear me preaching about these levels all the time. Trading Star, it's gonna happen to every one of us. We're going to reset accounts all the time. The only thing that we have to lower down those resets, you know, as we're getting better. But it's part of the game, man. I know it's frustrating. I know. And so as I was saying, these levels are my favorites. You guys saw me in my streams many times looking for these levels. These are the best levels. Textbook levels. Yeah, I know. It's that's the problem. We are the obstacle. And by the way, drawn liquidity is 231.50. Just saying. Throwing it out there with a microphone drop. You know. But it might happen in the PM session. Yeah, movement is slowing down. Martin, what? Up 10k? Dude. Martin, up 10k? How the heck did you do that, man? What? Where did you enter? Nice. Let a runner now. Stop loss and big profit. Bought at the bottom. Where? Down here? Like in the 60s area or down there at 20k? Martin, that's 20,000. Man. Congratulations. Congratulations, man. You deserve it. I am so happy that we have more and more people making good profit. And guys, when we blow up, and I'm saying this for those, even myself, I blow up accounts time to time. Like when it happens, it's just taking you one step closer to be a better trader. Trust me. Vivian is here. Hello. What a day. What a day, man. What a day. Wow, look at this. Look at this. I was looking away and this is what happening. XRP is pumping. Nice. Perfect day. Oh my god. I can't enter here, guys. My journey is over for today. But I made some good profits, so I'm not complaining. I'm going to give you a recap right now. What is XRP doing? Oh yeah, it's pumping, baby. Crypto is pumping. Everything is pumping. Okay. Let's see. So we are going up there. Very, very nice. Yeah, Naomi. I don't know what is going on here. This is just the last 5 minutes. 70 points pump. And we're going to the moon. I think everybody loves Trump. There's an order block here, by the way. Just saying, on the 5 minute. Somewhere around 433. Open at 432.50 on the micro. There. That's the next stop. If it goes straight up there. Yeah, there has to be. There has to be. So let me give you guys a quick recap of what happened today. On my Apex accounts, this one I just flipped it for $12, not a big deal. I'm requesting $2,000 from this. No trade on this Apex account. I'm requesting $564 from this. No trades on this one as well. This other group, this one made $125 each. So up to this account is up to 2,263, 1,776, $126 today, and this one is up $1,655. I've blown up a Funded Futures network account today. I'm gonna get to that too. This trade, this at Bulenox is above the safety net level now, but still has to go a lot. $100 today at $2,738. $1,865 on this one. Made $466. This was the trade from down here somewhere around the 20,080, right, where it pumped higher to that 138 that I was talking about. So this was that nice trade. I was not copy trading, by the way, and this was, oh yeah, I was copy trading one account, and this made $212. It's a new one, so it still has a lot to go. It only has almost 400. This one got blown up, Funded Futures network account, unfortunately, but no problem. This one is already in funded profits, but that's not the deal. Evaluation account wise, this will be hopefully soon a new funded account with Funded Futures network. Made $680 today, almost at 2,000 profit. $1,100 in profit today on this Funded Futures network account, still below the consistency, so I'm good. And I passed a Take Profit Trader test account today, $667 profit, so I have a new Take Profit Trader Pro account. So far, lost an account, but overall, I'm happy with the progress. Requesting payouts. So I effed around and found out. I made the level 10 FAFO situation for myself, but I'm gonna learn from it. So no pullbacks. Yeah. Have you noticed with my price difference compared to TPT price action? No, I haven't compared the prices. I hope they're not messing with the spread. I try we go red, slightly down. Well, the thing is that I'm not sure if Take Profit Twitter is using DX feed, but maybe Rhythmic and DX feed giving different spread or something. I'm not sure. And sometimes Rhythmic is a bit late. Yeah, no, it's just on the 5 minute there is no entry here. No entry. You couldn't enter really, and the only place you could have entered maybe is down here for a scalp. But you know, this pump here, maybe there was a possible entry when Trump was speaking, but this candle was like a 1 second candle, like boom, if you wanted to take it to the order block, but not much to do. 60% EVA reset. Yes, with Funded Futures Network there is a 60% reset right now, discount if you want to use my code. So anyway, let me give you guys the commercial before I take off. You guys will love it. You guys like it how I do that, right? So don't forget, if you want the best discounts, the best available prices, and the best success ratio in prop firms, you always know what to choose. Go with the code TomSabo. Most of these prop firms have it. And if you really want to be the best of the best, just go help out the channel. Use the code TomSabo. I do appreciate it very much. Thank you. Sponsored by TomSabo's YouTube channel. All right. I think I'm gonna call it here, ladies and gents. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be back tomorrow for New York. There won't be a London stream, as I said. I'm taking my mother to doctor, but she's okay. All is good. But the doctor is only available tomorrow during the London stream. So thank you so much, everybody, for watching. I really appreciate that you guys are being here with me all week. And thank you for the support. If you would like to get the best deals, please don't forget to use the TomSabo code. That helps out the channel, keeps us rolling, and helps me to fuel up my BMW. Thank you very much. And first and foremost, God bless you all. All right. See you guys tomorrow in New York session. All right. God bless.